All right, we're going to look at some basics here. We're going to learn how to insert an image onto a web page, and let's just see what we've got going on right now. You can see I'm in Text Wrangler, and this is my file right here. I simply have the title called title goes here in the title. Notice it's in the head tag. And then down here, just so you have something to look at when I show it to you in a browser, it says My Template Page. So then again, that's Text Wrangler, but let's see what that looks like if we were looking at it in a browser. I go to Browser, and there it is. It's just saying My Page Template. One thing I want to show you is this. If I go in here and change the title to Mr. Murphy, and then go over to my template page and look at that, I'm even going to refresh it, thinking that might do it, but no, you don't see Mr. Murphy in the title. It still says title goes here. Well, why is that? That is simply because I did not save this document. So now by going File, Save, it has updated. So now when I go to my web browser and click Refresh, you will see it says Mr. Murphy. So when you're updating pages, it's important that you remember to save. All right, let's insert an image. Let's go to the Finder. So right now you can see I'm in a folder called My Restaurant. The page, the Word Wrangler, Text Wrangler rather, page that's up is this one, and notice it's in the same exact folder as all these images. So I think the simplest thing is to put an image in that is in the same exact folder. I'll show you how to put it in a folder next. So I'm just coming in, and I know my HTML to say I'm going to start with tag, and I'm going to say image src equals. Now in quotes, I'm putting the name of the file, and because it's in the exact same folder, I don't need to include any folder names and any absolute website references. I'm just going to type in this case, animal1 with the exact extension. Notice this one is JPEG, end quote. I'm going to self-closing tag, and now I'm going to close that tag right there. So look how simple this is. I'm just telling it the name of the file, and then notice it's in quotes, and now we've learned in order to see that I'm going to save it. Now it's saved, and now when I come back to my browser, I am going to hit refresh, and sure enough, there is my animal number 1. So if I want to do animal number 2, I'm going to do the same thing. I don't need to really retype it all. I'm going to copy it all. I'm going to paste it, and one thing I need to note is that animal 2, it is JPG. So all I need to do is make some changes here. So I'm just trying to include the name here. If you want to be tricky, what you can do is highlight the name here, so then you don't have to worry about any typographical errors because it's going to grab exactly what the name is. And then if I copy that and I could paste it right over here, it shouldn't change it at all. So now I've learned I need to save it. So I'm just going to go Command S. I'm going to go to my browser, and I'm going to refresh this, and I should now see a second animal. So that is how you insert an image into a web page that is in the same exact folder.